Hi guys, it's reaction time. We've got Hollow Souls and Shotgun. So this Hollow Souls is a sort of a project, I suppose, from the brilliant Chris Barris. You got Chris Barris band, and this is his side projects basically, and they've been really successful, especially over the last few years. Had a hit album basically last year, so a great band. And I was reading about Chris Barris, and he comes from Devon originally, which is like the next county on from me. I live in Cornwall. Devon's beautiful, so it's cool that he's close by as well. And it says that this is actually recorded. They record these Hollow Soul songs in Plymouth, which is just down the road from me. Literally, I was in Plymouth. You know, I'm going to Plymouth later on today, so that's cool. And it says here that he's got the singer John Harvey from Monster Truck featuring on this track. So very cool, very cool. Can't wait to hear this. Is sort of like blues rock type thing. I know John Harvey is a great singer as well from Monster Truck, so I really get excited about hearing this. This is Hollow Souls featuring John Harvey. Here we go. Fuck yeah, man, it's brilliant. It's absolutely brilliant. This is how I want my blues rock heavy. It's so heavy. I mean, it's not metal, but it's as heavy as you can get with blues. So much attitude in the song, lyrically, and the feel of the song is so much attitude, and it's sort of like this dirty, sort of grindy riffs coming out. The perfect choice, John Harvey, for this song. The grit in his voice. I love the talking bit when it leads into the, I can't remember exactly what he says, but it's almost like Phil Anselmo, little talk before you get hit with that massive chorus. I'm going at you like a shotgun. Da-da. Oh, it's brilliant, man. And the funny thing is, as far as blues is concerned, I'm not really into blues, proper blues music. It has to be quite rocky for me to like it. Man, they've nailed this, and I love it, man. I mean, I listen to a lot of Southern rock, so there is blues, a lot of blues elements in Southern rock as well. But this is proper blues, but just up to 11. It's just absolutely brilliant. Love the guitar work. It's almost got this I've got it turned right up in these headphones, but it's almost got this almost on purpose distortion where it's just meant to be so like heavy, especially the bass. It's just, man, it sounds fucking brilliant, man. And so one of the other things that blues sometimes I veer away from because I don't feel energy in it. I want, I mean, perhaps that's why I'm into metal and rock and metal as well, because I want energy in my music, you know. That's what the guitar's all about. That's what guitar gives you, in it, that energy most of the time. And I steer away from blues rock because I feel that sometimes it's a bit too subdued for me, and it's like a slog. Man, you can't get no more excitement than this song in a blues song. It's fucking excellent, man. Wow, what a song. Here we go for the rest. You won't get much more attitude in a song than that. That was just full of fucking attitude. Absolutely brilliant. I've got to give a shout out as well to the people in the band. It's a studio band, basically. It's just reading down here. So, of course, you got Chris on the guitar there. What a solo as well. Oh man. He shredded like fuck in that solo. That was brilliant. But also you got multi-instrumentalist and producer Josiah J. Manning. And they use obviously his Plymouth-based studios. It consists of drummer Joe Harris, bass player Leighton Allen. So they're all part of that brilliant song. So congratulations to the band for producing probably one of my favourite blues rock songs I've ever heard. It was amazing, and the attitude from everyone, you could tell, not just the singer had attitude to the max, but the whole band, it just was played with attitude. Fucking brilliant, man. That was Hollow Souls featuring John Harvey from Monster Truck. That was Shotgun. Coming at you like a shotgun. Da-da. Fucking excellent. Let me know what you think of it in the comments below though, guys. I'll see you soon.